Hello everyone. Our topic for today is all about Map APIs for ER. Now, augmented reality is a technology that works on computer vision-based recognition algorithm to augment sounds, videos, video graphics, and other sensor-based inputs on real-world objects using a camera on your device. Now, we will learn how to put Map API for augmented reality. Next is Map API, also known as Mapping API. Provides location intelligence for software developers creating location-based products and services. It is the base of building block for location-aware applications, feature-rich maps, and the retrieval of geographic-related data.
A typical map API includes features for geocoding, revised geocoding, geolocation, direction and navigation, touchscreen interaction, different types of maps, and customizable control objects. And yes, an API features maps, develop, scan, customize maps with context and industry relevant data overlay using widgets, gadget, markers, graphics, image, and pop-ups. Data. Software developers use map APIs to retrieve location data, details about places, traveling, distances, and durations between endpoint, region statistics, and area-based consumer trends. To use and bespoke application and mashups. Statistics. Researchers use map APIs to identify anomalies and weather patterns, track disease and outbreaks in health management programs, plot disasters management reach, and discover patterns and customers' buying patterns. Benefits of mapping APIs includes standardized application development and data retrieval methods, reduce costs by utilizing open source tools, increase your digital business presence since most user will research a business with maps before visiting it in person. Avoid writing standards code routines that already exist out there, and accelerate digital development using agile methodologies, and integrate business partnership and suppliers in your industries. Simplify your IT model using recognized protocols. Use patterns-based data analytics for insight traditional reporting doesn't provide. Go global. A map API doesn't care where you are based and often includes localization features. And there are two ways to add Google Maps inside an HTML page. One is using API key, and two without using API key. And that's it all.